Hello everybody, Jack the Railfan here, and today I'm working on three trucks at the same time. This Ford, that parts truck, and the 5400 all at the same time, and I'm on a break, so I wanted to show you things before I got too far into the process of putting things back together. This, I wanted to take apart to do a bearing job because I was unable to push it back and forth to get it in different parking spots without using a board, a 4x4 board prying on the wheels. So I took this apart and to do a lubrication and adjustment of the bearings and discovered this. Very worn kingpins, even more worn tie rod ends, and pretty badly worn brake shoes. Those are in the cab. So these are those. They could technically probably be used as absolute emergency gotta have parts, just so I'll put these on a shelf. That's why I have them marked, but I'd really rather not use them on my daily driver. They're more farm truck spares. And then this is the brake cylinder, by the way, unidirectional, so it pushes on this and then it goes through the adjuster to press that way on that one. So that's why this one is even more worn than the back ones, because if you're just applying the brakes lightly, this whole shoe is going basically unused. But they need to be replaced anyway, so I brought up the parts truck. This was what was hauled home in my latest video, where we brought it back with a awesome 1971 C30 Longhorn. Go check that video out. So there's the hub off of this side, removed so you can see all the goodies inside. Basically unused brakes, all riveted linings for durability, not bonded. And they're basically the same. The only difference is the front shoe has slightly more surface area than the front shoe on the Ford, but that's not going to be a problem. At least I don't think it will be. All the springs are basically same tension. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do for that. I'm going to use the Ford's original adjusters because they're actually in better shape than these, and one of them I already cleaned up with new grease and everything. That was sitting in there with some other parts in a plastic bag. So that's all taken care of and ready to get put back together as soon as all the parts are in place. But the reason I took this apart in the first place, the reason I brought it up here with my dad earlier today, was to get a bearing off of this side and a race to put in this. This is the drum brake and hub off of the passenger side of my 5400 low cab Ford. This is the drum off of this side, and its inner bearing race ended up being just as bad as this one. So that's been hammered out of there. That's what it looks like without it in there. So I had to take apart the driver's side to get the good one out of that side. Luckily that one was good because we called parts stores and they did not have any paperwork or anything that even told them what to look for, because these numbers are so old. So all this brake stuff, bearings out of this truck, radiator, and a little thing that holds my clutch linkage return spring back will all go on my other two trucks. Brakes for this and everything else for that. And I also got this wheel back off of that red truck. That was just on there temporarily to move it around. My dad's fabricating a brand new bale carrier over there for our round bales. And he's been helping me on this project. So these brakes, they're also riveted linings, not quite as badly worn, and my brakes still don't work. My master cylinder's off of it, but I don't think that's going to be too much of an issue, just testing things out. This isn't going on the road anyway, and I have a newly adjusted and superbified parking brake. So I'll get the service brakes working soon enough. I might need to take that master cylinder off of this truck, maybe even a brake booster. This one's smaller than the upgraded one on that, though they paid extra money on that truck for a better brake booster. But we'll see about all that soon enough. So this truck, sad to see it get taken apart, but it's for the greater good of old trucks as a whole. So if you want to see more videos, particularly of these two trucks running, which will happen soon enough, don't worry, as soon as they're off blocks, just hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of those uploads. So that'll be all for today. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye.